I have the Big Lash. What is this? Jesus, help. Okay, because I guess this is going to be a while. So let me just swallow what I got going on here. All right. Goodness, come on. So for those of you who do not know, a dark eyeliner, or not eyeliner, so a black eyeliner, no, Crystal, no. I've been using the setting. Have mercy, Jesus. This is the good grief. So again, this is the translucent. Come on, cars, my gosh. Okay, so, wait a minute. That's why. Oh my goodness, okay. Let me try this again. I'm sure, like, why is it so close to my face? Hello, and hello once more. Okay, hello once more. I would like to jump right into the video. We're gonna jump right into the video. I would like to share some beginner makeup products. If I were to go back in time and I wanted to begin my makeup journey, I wanted or had an interest in artistry, or I was simply trying to save some money and I was curious about what makeup products to go for. These are the products that I would reach for. Note: anything and everything I mentioned in this video is simply my opinion through experience. It's my opinion, it's through experience, and what I say is not Bible whatsoever. These are merely suggestions, okay? And overall, please do what works for you. Choose the products that are best for you. Again, these are merely suggestions. As far as foundations are concerned, I recommend the Fit Me foundations by Maybelline New York, okay? I have both the Dewy Smooth and the Matte Poreless foundations, okay? So depending on your skin type, that's what I personally would recommend for foundations. The shade range, to me personally, the shade range is pretty decent starting off, okay? And once more, you get a bang for your buck. It's definitely affordable. As far as primer is concerned, okay, facial primer is concerned, I think when it comes to primers, as well as foundation, but when it comes to primers, I think that it's important to have options depending on how you feel, or depending on your mood, or maybe that's just me. But I have two different e.l.f. products here, so these products are very much well loved. This is the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f., okay? And it has a pump, okay? It has a pump, and that is very, very convenient. We love a pump. And then this is the Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. as well. So both of these products are by e.l.f. and they are well loved, okay? So grant me some mercy, but they are well loved. Just starting out in makeup, I would go for a powder blush, so not liquid, not cream, or anything to that degree. I would go to the basics. I would go and get a powder blush. This is from Makeup Revolution, and this is a powder blush. If I were to go back in time, I would get a powder blush, and this shade to me goes with anything. So the name of the shade specifically is called Rose Kiss, but this is the shade to me that goes with anything. And again, this is by Makeup Revolution. When it comes to your face, you want to have a powder, whether it be a baking powder, setting powder, what have you. I chose a baking powder in translucent, and this is by Makeup Revolution. And I think that this is important to have on hand. Again, if you are a beginner, just having a powder, I feel is very important. This is the translucent baking powder by Makeup Revolution. This is the Milani Cosmetics Make It Last Original Natural Finish Setting Spray. 16-hour wear. It is very important to have a setting spray. So I would highly recommend. I've been actually using this. I've been using this setting spray for years. And I cannot vouch for it enough. Okay, I cannot vouch for it enough. As As far as lips are concerned, I recommend a lip liner. So a lip liner that can go with anything or somewhat neutral or what have you. Yeah, so a lip liner, a plain lip liner, and this is by NYX Cosmetics or NYX Cosmetics, and this is in Nutmeg. It is a brown lip liner, and it can go with just about everything. So I would recommend a lip liner. This is a liquid lipstick by Essence, and this is in Dark Berry. This being in Dark Berry, so it is an 8-hour wear matte liquid lipstick. I feel like when it comes to your makeup kit, you should have a lip gloss and a lipstick. The reason I chose a liquid lipstick is because this can double as a few things. This could double as a cream eyeshadow. This could double as a cream blush if you wanted to eventually gradually work your way up to a cream blush. This could do the trick for you on that. And although this is called Dark Berry, you could build this up to your desire. So you can make this as light on your lips as you want, as well as Dark Berry, you know, going to that shade of Dark Berry. So again, this is the matte liquid lipstick by Essence, 8-hour wear in Dark Berry. Still on the lips, still on the lips, still on the lips, still on the lips. This is a lip gloss, okay? This is a regular clear lip gloss, alright, by Nicka New York or NK Makeup. This is their Lipshine lip gloss. A regular clear gloss, okay? I got this from the beauty supply store. This is very, very affordable. As I mentioned prior, I believe in your makeup kit, one lipstick, one lip gloss. So for concealers here, we've got the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition or HD Concealer, which is an oldie but goodie, or an OG. Some people call it an OG. But yeah, this is the Pro Conceal by LA Girl Cosmetics. And this is the Camo Hydrating Concealer by e.l.f. Cosmetics. The shade range for both of these actually have really good shade ranges. So you'll be able to find something. There's something for everyone, for sure, in these collections. As far as eyeshadow is concerned, so this is the Nude Palette by LA Colors, or yeah, LA Colors Cosmetics or LA Colors, you know. You see it's nude, and it's also compact, so you can take this and travel with it. And they have different colors. You have what could be a crease color, you can have a color that can warm up your crease. This can warm up your crease as well. So this can warm up your crease. This could also warm up your crease as well. This could give you depth, okay? This could give you depth on in your crease. The darkest shade in this eyeshadow palette can actually double up, all right? It can double up as an eyeliner. A black eyeshadow, a dark brown eyeshadow, those two particular colors in eyeshadows, those can double as an eyeliner as well. Big Lash Reloaded Mascara. It is important to have a mascara in your collection, okay? This is by Makeup Revolution as well, and this is in black, I believe, a regular shade black. I find it very important to have a mascara inside of your makeup collection or your makeup kit within your makeup journey just in general, because a mascara can take your look from this to that in a very good way. Some of us opt to wear false eyelashes or individual eyelashes or eyelash clusters, and mascara sometimes can do the trick. And so with that said, I think that sometimes a mascara is the way to go, especially if you are pressed for time. So if you want to do a 5-minute makeup look or a 10-minute makeup look, or even a 20 minute, you know, eye look or makeup look overall, sometimes a mascara is the best way to go. And again, this is the Big Lash Reloaded Extra Large Volume Mascara by Makeup Revolution. So for eyebrows, I think it's important to have a pomade and or a powder. So again, I like choices. Going back to the LA Colors Nude Eyeshadow Palette, you could actually you can open this up, or upon opening this up, you can use this shade in particular. You can use that shade for your brows, something natural-esque, something quick. You can use an eyeshadow shade or an eyeshadow color as a powdered a powdered substance for your brows. Also, a pomade, a brow pomade. This is from LA Girl, okay? This is from LA Girl. A pomade is also very important because while a powder is nice, it's quick, it's compact, something that you can take with you, I also believe that when it comes to a brow pomade is more specific in like what shape you may want to create, or you know, just different things. It's a lot of different things you can do with the pomade. You can trace, you can outline rather, you can trace or outline, you can go heavy, you can go lightweight with it. This is very, very important. Although with the powder you can also, right, you can also build up, you know, it's buildable as well. But if you are very specific and you want to experiment with sculpting brows, I think that a brow pomade is the way to go. And this is the LA Girl pomade. These were a few products, okay? These were a few products if you were to begin, or if I were to go back and begin my makeup journey, just makeup discovery. These were a few things that I would actually pick up to save money. Not only to save money, but to overall experiment and just enjoy the entire process of makeup. So my question to you, all right, my question to you, did you see any products that you have used in the past? Are you interested in any of the products that I showed here? Are you using any of these products today? Let me know. How long have you been wearing makeup? How long have you been in the makeup community? Yeah, let me know. Let's start a conversation down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time.